Hi. So I'm so sorry for not posting. I'm just really busy with school and stuff again, but stuff is coming. I don't really know when though, but it's coming. So please don't unsubscribe. I'm trying, but I hope that I can start being more relevant soon. Just there's so much stuff going on, so yeah, I literally had to write a six week straight research paper on the Supreme Court, which I don't really know why. It's not really relevant to me in any way. But yeah. And then I had hockey tryouts, which I didn't get into either of the teams, which is interesting because one of the teams, they don't even cut people. So I don't know why I got cut for some reason. But yeah, into my rant. I hope you guys still enjoy my stuff. And I will be posting soon. So I love you, peeps.